Stand the boy. Oh no, move the car. Make it put them washer. Move the car. Move the car. Long time you tell you. Eh? Them are losing.
Look how long we are telling us every back up. Take a woman who don't take up his sitting them.
Could I?
You told me. Take up his foot, listen them.
Virgin, move it here.
I'm moving here.
Oh no.
Move it back.
Take up his foot.
Could I?
But a long time we tell us every
A
back up.
long time you tell you no.
Watch out.
Oh? Yes, man.
In a year, no man. Because they're stubborn, you know.
Tell you no.
I tune up. Tell
Tell you no.
I tune no one wash everything back on.
Tell you no. So that back a cool gun. So the cool gun there.
They're stubborn, you know.
Long time you tell you no.
For me, I good on my car and I tell us every back up. Where they come from? No much fun car.
Hey, Jude, but you know how long for you tell me? You know how long me ready and tell him say?
Right, man, tell them to bring in we back up.
And we are drunk and my girlfriend reach and call me.
You like fat them ass in the wash.
No, only cool gun.
You know see fat them, somebody fat no gun.
No, they take them, they show them out, man. That's why it's soup and something.
But they are good on me tell them to be back up.
You see this? Tell them put back your again.
We tell them, long time we tell them no. Oh,
If I never come, guess how you tell him to come to my
No, you don't put them for the water to water warm.
yes man, water warm and nice. Right, I mean, no respect.
So hey guys, big up on yourself. Remember to like, share and subscribe and watch the ads. In this video today guys, we have a lot of things to show you guys. We know now go watch a full video. This one Kartel enter to go and show it come like a movie. And then guys, you know so we have to tell them really go and we see them, you see me and say John no star. And then me decide to talk up some things about the Markex youth them in a community. You see it and the man look out on the Markex man them. And then we have this girl attack up an next bag of thing, bro, and I say, yo, why she date older man? Then we have Skank turn up late at his own show, you see me, and I get to perform. And Pops YG are requesting money for the show. No artist not get to perform, not go on, is it? So this and more we have in this video. So stick around guys to watch the full video. Remember to give video one like. Remember like is free, subscribe is free.
I love you.
Vybz Kartel. Another. What a time in the world. What a time in the world. Sidem is right here.
Go ahead, Bob. Thank you. Yes, man, I'm coming to say, when time you see cloth with a piece of Markex, them master, top cones cable the entire cloth, roll me, cause Markex and a car. Markex is also look up to we run taxi, I'm up here to blood. What is Markex? Eh? A Benz and Dima me thing there, brother. Benz and Dima, Batman. See me? Benz me like Batman, see? So no back on do like say on show now job and look one markets in a community bad man on our somebody. Be a look picking the markets them, be a look picking me. Me no set long no so to seeing. So somebody all markets them man, seeing? Cause no in my community no reach down me bad man. Me want know if Nicki Minaj know me. Me have to make Nicki Minaj know me. When I somebody, when I come, when you look at all markets, we tell no see VMW wall. We tell no see Dima. Run me around now about no po. Can chat to me. Some man look at all markets. When I be a picking with. You see, I be a picking like markets. Crown and Dima youth. Crown and Dima youth. When I know somebody youth. When I thief.
Yo guys, you put it out in the comment section guys. The more nothing gonna feel like say yo that you have a bad mind or just him attack in general, as you may say. Tell me nothing guys. To him attack in not talk straight in talk like he mind bad, you see me. That may pick up our fight, you see me.
When you see the young girl them with the when you see the young girl them with the big man them, you can't too bash them in a car, guess what? The younger guy them can't and they nah no money. You see the older man them are going better than the young guy them. Them have money and then fuck stamina up. You see the young guy them, they can't talk and then they nah no money. So what the young girl them are doing, little boy? If it all man, it just makes sense. Make it make sense. So you see young girl them, leave them alone and make them big man. Fuck somebody will have benefit. Crazy.
So guys, again, put in the thought in the comment section and remember to like the video. Anyway, the next video, you know, Skeng come and one party late and you know he lock off already. And he beg the cops say, if you make him perform if I have one song and him, John know.
I'm not telling that. Give me a little bit. Please, I stop performing. Don't perform. One second. Why you so hard? Like so hard. You know, someone is the most. Don't tell him we can't talk. I don't want to tell him. Watch him on it. I know some people want to see human security. And so I want money to probably like everybody to him and do it through them sometimes. Sir, you want to blame somebody, blame the people that
come back to land for Pops YG.
well up there myself.
Yeah. Come in, man. Kapachi, come back to land for Pops YG. How much does this I want to go on? Yo, dog, I defend him money, dog, and nothing no go on our party. Not one no go on our party and Pops a big fee money. Yeah, Pops to go on our yard drill. And that one they look hungry. The man is so rich and they look so hungry.
So there you have it guys, you come to the end of the video, big up on yourself. Thanks so much for watching, you see me? Yeah man, and make sure you like up the video and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed here.